What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're having a field day this week. We got quad racer engine that's going together. We're going to be trying to put that in the roller that we've got. This is for the 92 quad racer that we're building, my personal build. We've got a DS90. The Chinese kit cylinder is 4 mil too long. We're got to put it in the lathe and cut it down, make it fit so we can get this motor in the quad and out the door. Yep. Screwed up spark plug caused a whole lot of issues on this thing. And we've got some interesting Quad Sport 230 work to do. Yep, new project in the shop. 85, 86, pull start, electric start, Quad Sport 230 Suzuki. Got compression, can't find spark. Clean her up, make her run, make some content with it. It's going to be the shop beater. We're going to have a lot of fun with this thing. Hopefully we can have it running really quick. Not a whole lot to it. It's not that pretty. It's something that's been sitting out in the woods for years and years. We're going to kick it around. We're not going to do a whole lot of craziness to it. This is not going to be a frame-up build. This is going to be a make, run, and have fun with kind of toy. Put it out back, put it in mud holes, do all kinds of weird stuff with it. So hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you ride. If you got anything that you ride or you just enjoy the builds. This thing looks pretty stock. And we got the quad racer engine going together. Now the little tabs that go in these shift detents are directional. The slots are offset. They need to be facing towards the teeth. We got the old clutch nut hack. Yep, push on the plates, zip it with the gun. Fold the lock washer over. Lock washer holds the nut in place, and you're done. Put the pressure plate on, tighten everything down, be done with it. You don't want to give the tower bolts too much pressure. It's very light torque on those things. You let them seat, you give them a little tiny ooga dooga and call it a day. The towers snap very, very easily. I've heard so many people complaining they're snapping towers off. Luckily, I'm very careful and we'll knock on wood on that case. Haven't broken one in a long while. This clutches together, so I'm not really too worried about it. Got some other stuff to do on the clutch cover itself, so it's not going on quite yet. We had to pull the stator back off of it and get all the case bolts in it, tighten it all back up before it goes in the frame. Look forward to that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.